Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 15th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So there's a lot of puzzles. Alright. Spain, European champion with soccer, yeah. And I believe I've heard that Trump has been shot, not killed. Anyway, let me start with the 3 Star Sudoku number 8901. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 24. This one has 4 digits more. Should be a 0 stars for a 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this third row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next to the last column, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. 7. 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. Then 9, 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 4, 4, 3, 3. Need an 8 here. Yeah. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Then need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 6 in the third row, no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only place left for the 7 should be here. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, there are only 3 places left. 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 in one of those two boxes. In the column next, no 7 there. Only place left with 7 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this column. 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the row below, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Then need a 4 here. How about the number? Come on. 6. No 6 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, there are only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes. Elevator 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left. 6 should be here, here, or there. We have 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 in the row above, no 6 there. Only place left 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 6. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see digit number 3, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 and 8. Need a 4 here. Alright, here also 2 and 8 are missing. 2. Need a 2 there. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see digit number 4, number 4. Okay, then 2 numbers left in the second column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, The 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. Cannot fill this yet. Yeah, so 2 numbers left in this big square. Here, 2 and an 8. It's a pair here also. I believe the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Well, here should be also 3 and 8. This column. Here we have a pair, 2 and an 8. That means that this box can be a 2 and a more. This box should be a 9 then. That box should be a 2 here. 2 and an 8. Oh, no. Made a mistake. 3 and an 8. Not 2 and 8. Well. Almost made a mistake. Almost made a mistake. Well. Ay. Need a 2 here. Need a 3 here. Well, we have a 3 here, so 3 could be here. Could be there. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Need a 9 here. This should be the 3 and a 9. No, 2 and a 9. 3, 8, 9, and 2. Need a 2. We need a 2 here. This box can be 2. We have a 2 here. This box can be 2. We have a 2 in this big square. And we need a 2 in the middle column. So this box should be a 2 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the third one. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column. So this box should be a 2. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. Well. And the 9 goes there. 3 and 8. Okay. 3 and the 8 are left. 3, 8, and need a 9. 9 should be in one of those two boxes. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. So 3 and 8 are left. Yeah. 3 and 8. Okay. Here should be also 3 and 8. So we have a pair here. So the other pair should be the 9 and the 2. Yeah. 9 and the 2. Alright. 1 box left in the third column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2, 2, need a 2 there. Eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, we have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in the middle column, so this box should be an 8. 3 and 8, we have an 8 in this column, so this box should be a 3. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row, both on that row. Only place level 3 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. And the final two numbers 7 and 8, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, let me give this a 1 star. Yeah, it's another 3, not a 2 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So it should be a 1 star. And we solve it again. And I like this one here. So really do think. So thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.